Hi everyone, for this question they ask us to find focal point directrix of the parabola with this equation. So this is a general form equation. As you can see, it expand it out. So we get it to the standard form. For the term with square, we remain it at left hand side. The term without the square, we move it to the right hand side. So plus x minus 7. So in parabola, we're going to do the completing the square one by one. For the square first, so this one value of 2, we have to simplify. So before we do the completing the square, we simplify, we can divide by 2 or we factorize also can. So in this case, I divide by 2 straight away. Alright, so then only I can put in the bracket y square. For quadratic by here, divide by 2. Term of b divide by 2 become 2. So we will minus back the 2 square. So here is 1 over 2x minus 7 over 2. So for the left hand side, for the y square here, we already done. Now I'm going to simplify the right hand side here. Minus 7 over 2 plus 4. So negative 7 over 2 plus 4, it gives us positive 1 over 2. For the right hand side, we are not finding the common factor. We need to factorize all the coefficients from the x here. Alright, so we can see 1 over 2 means I directly need to take out all the value, factorize all the value. So all the coefficient of the x you need to factorize out. No matter it is 3 over 2 or 5 over 2, we didn't find for common factor. We have factorized out the coefficient of the x. So number from the x here. So when you take out 1 over 2 here, 1 over 2 divide 1 over 2, which is 1. So here we can obviously can see y square for the parabola equation, which means that this is open left, right? And what we can see, y is negative 2, x is equal to negative 1. We take out, which means that the vertex here is negative 1, negative 2. Alright, state your x coordinate followed by your y coordinate. And from the equation, 4p here give you 1 over 2. So you can get the distance p value is 1 over 8. Positively means open to the right. So with the parabola open to the right, here is your vertex, means your directrix will be in the opposite here and your focal will be at the right hand side. So what's the usage of this p value? P value indicate that positively, negative indicate that the orientation, the direction of the parabola open to the left or open to the right, and the value 1 over 8 is indicate the distance here. Distance the vertex to directrix and distance the vertex to focal point. So for the next part, then only we can find out their equation. So we can find out the focus point here, focal point. So you are moving to the right. Moving to the right means plus unit of 1 over 8. X coordinate operate because moving left right is for the x coordinate. So y coordinate doesn't change. So simplify here, you are negative 7 over 8, negative 2. For directrix, directrix is a line equation. It's not a coordinate, so it's a line equation. When you see your line vertically means your equation is x equals to something. So what's the value something here? So vertex here is negative 1. Moving to the left minus unit 1 over 8. So x equation is negative 9 over 8. So this is supposedly one equation. It's not negative 9 over 8 to be the answer. Negative 9 over 8 to be the answer, just a value, is not equation. So directrix is a line, so it's still a x as a subject to become a line equation, vertical line equation here. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.